Asi.
Hello, baby.
Yes.
How are you?
Don't tell me you've been in the farm since morning.
My sister, I had to finish clearing Mama Ozo's farmland. And because she's sending boys to come and cultivate it tomorrow. I cannot talk. Oh, this wood is very heavy on my head.
Let me help you.
You want to help me?
So you're now stronger than I am. Eh? If you can carry this thing, why can't I? Let me help you.
Are you sure?
Put it down.
Okay.
Put it down.
It's very heavy. You're sure you want to carry it?
Help me.
Okay. Come on. Is it okay?
Yeah.
I told you it's heavy.
This thing is heavy.
I told you.
Take water.
Thank you. I'm very thirsty.
Sorry.
I forgot to take water from the house. When Mama was up paying, I will use it to buy a very good material and we will so confirm the steel uniform.
This is very nice.
I know.
Some people will die.
Some people will die.
As if you don't know the people I'm talking about. Udochukwu, highly inclusive.
Nobody will die. Nobody will die.
My bag. Help me with my bag. Why didn't you call me to help you?
Yeah, every time I'll be calling you.
Hey. Didn't Mercy tell you where she went to?
That one. She doesn't tell me anything, oh. She just carried herself, shoulders up like this, like tolo, and walked out on me when I asked her where she was going.
So she did not even cook the food I told her to cook?
Hey!
No problem, so bad. Mercy. Okay, give me that thing. Give me the needle too. You don't even know how to do anything. Also,
Mama, I did not beg you to help me.
Look at your man. I did not beg you to help me. But you cannot do anything. You got one simple aqua. You
see, in this village, I don't have time for all these small boys. I don't have their time.
I believe you. But this is where we part ways.
Chai, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much.
You've started again. Why are you now thanking me?
Why won't I thank you? Oluebupe, what would I have done in this village without you?
Nothing. You're my sister. And I will do anything for you.
You're a sister indeed.
Okay.
Thank you. Let me come and help you. Sorry, I know it's heavy.
Yes.
Let me... Yes.
Okay, let me... Are you okay? Okay.
Wait, come and help me. It's not well. Let me adjust my... Adjust it to well. Sorry,
Is it okay now?
It's better.
Okay. When you're spending that money, don't forget that Ankara.
You and Ankara.
I'm just reminding you.
Don't worry, I'll not forget.
Okay.
Help me with my cutlass, oh.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let me be going. We'll see you later. Oh. Bye.
Bye.
Mama! Mama, I'm back!
Mercy, you got me worried.
I told you to carry this big thing all the way from Amaku village.
Mama, I'm fine.
You want to break this neck?
Mama, I'm fine. I have to make sure I finish the work at the farm today.
Must you finish it today?
Yes, Mama. Remember you told me the boys will start work there tomorrow.
They must not start tomorrow. They can start another day.
Mama, I'm fine,
You are fine. Come and rest so that I can give you something. I have prepared roasted yam with fresh pepper and palm oil. You will like it.
Mama, I would have loved to eat though, but I have to go home before my mother gets back from the market. Next time.
Okay, no problem.
Yes,
No problem. Thank you very much. Let me pay. But I am preparing ulusu. You will like it. Make sure you come home.
Mama,
Because if you don't, I will bring it to your house. I will.
Mama, I'll come back,
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, my dear.
Okay, now, Mama, let me be going, I'll see you later.
Come. Baby, please, help me. Let me send this back.
Okay, Mama. Mama, don't worry, let me do it.
Leave it now. You have done enough. Carry it from there.
Mama, easy, easy.
Thank
use
you.
all your strength.
Thank you, my dear. Hey.
Nne, good evening.
Come back here, Iso. Where do you think you're going? And where are you coming from?
I went to clear Mama Ozo's farmland.
You went to clear Mamozo's farm. Who did you tell before going out?
I told Udochukwu.
Hey! Told me what? Mama, I was just sweeping the compound though when she left without saying a word.
Oh. You are even the one that swept the compound.
That's not all, oh. I was the one that did all the house chores.
Udo, why are you lying? Nne, don't mind her. I made sure I did all the chores before I left the house.
No, girl. You shall finish all the chores before leaving the house. Who even gave you permission to leave?
Nne, I'm sorry, but before I woke up, you've already gone to the market. But I told Udochukwu before I left the house. Yes, Nne.
Yeah, she's calling me a liar, oh. She's calling me a liar.
You not try, kwa. So, did you come back with any money? Am I not asking you? Can I get you better? Why you not paid?
Nne, I actually wanted to use it to buy something.
You want to use it to buy what? What is this? 2,000 naira. Oh, you mean to tell me that you went out this morning only to come back with just 2,000 naira? You spent the whole of this day doing work of 2,000 naira. Is that what you want to tell me? Where did you hide the rest of the money? Because I'm sure she did not pay you just 2,000 naira.
Nne, believe me, that is all she gave me. I am not hiding any money. That is all the money that she gave me, Nne.
Will you shut up? That is what she paid you. Come on, bring the rest of the money where you hide them, Biko. You can answer just what she paid you. How can somebody pay you 2,000 naira for working from morning till this evening?
You are lying. Nne, she's probably hiding the money somewhere.
Where? I'm not hiding money anywhere. I don't have pockets in my skirts. This is all the money she gave me.
Bien so, come nearer. Yeba. Ni give me one muka. Does it kamal mo nke first na ala. Tualia.
Check her bra.
Nonsense. It is one infanyere na bra. You went out to come out with just 2,000 naira. If you allow them Maid. Nonsense. No. Take this 1,000 naira. Later this evening, go and buy bread and mineral just for 2 of us. Okay? Because henceforth, we are not going to cook any food in this house until you bring out the money you're hiding.
This one that she didn't cook, that food I ate was the last portion. Hunger will kill you today.
Nne, but this is not fair. This is not fair.
What is not fair? Let me tell you, Mercy. What is not fair is that you, Mercy, now tells me lies. You don't tell me the truth anymore. You don't want to say it's wicked. So from Niru, hi! I've never seen a small girl as wicked as you are.
And also a professional liar.
Professional liar. I thought we are killing Millie.
Hey.
On a pretend. Come on, get out! Come and eat. I go on. Okay, look at me the way I'm sewing this thing because you don't even know how to do anything.
I know how to do it.
Look at me before I will pinch you with this needle. I don't know why this girl is so lazy. Look at the little money she brought home. She didn't know she would bring so much money so that we can add sardine to this thing. Or even fried egg. You can imagine. And I will concrete.
Nne, I'm hungry.
It's not again. Eh? What do you want me to do?
I was thinking if you could give me some money from the 2,000 naira you collected from me this afternoon so I could get something to eat.
Which money, boy? The money is finished. You can go and take from that one you were hiding. Yeah, take from there, buy whatever you want to buy and eat.
Nne, I'm not hiding any money. I give you all the money that I made today.
Oh, you are still lying. Eh?
Don't mind her. Hunger has not yet dealt with her very well.
Oh.
That's why she's still lying.
She still has strength to be talking to me anyhow. Nonsense.
Mama, I'm not lying. I don't have any money on me again.
They want to drink our wine.
Is she dead?
Wait. Good evening, my dear.
You're welcome.
I didn't even hear you people talking. You know, old age.
If you don't take time, you will go deaf.
Is it what you're saying?
No, that you know, all those things comes with old age.
I have come to say Mercy. Mercy one. This is Ofu Onubu and Apple. Hey, I asked you to stay now so that I will finish the cooking so that you will eat. You didn't stay. I promised you I was going to bring this food to you if you didn't come. Here I am.
Mama, this is too much.
What is too much?
It's not enough for me already.
What have I done? You have been the one doing for me, clearing my farms and all the house chores. I've not done anything for you. Eh? You are a very good girl.
Oh, Mama, I'm not working for free. You still pay me.
Pay you? How much do I pay you? How much? Just taking any small money like that. I don't pay you like that now. Eh? See, this is just to say a little thank you. Don't wait until my son from the city comes back. I'm going to tell him everything so that he will thank you properly.
Mama, is Uzo coming back?
Yes. He said he's coming back to stay with me for the Mothering Sunday.
Hey, that is very nice. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
I think I have to start going. It's getting late. You know these vigilante people, Ndincha. No, but fine. I don't want them to find me. Just be a good girl. She's a good girl.
Good night. Oh,
bye.
I hope your touch is charged.
Yes.
Bye. Good night.
Hey. Mercy. Bring the food and beg. Let's eat together.
Meaning what? Can you guys let's eat together? Must you go carry your food, go inside and eat it. Enjoy yourself. Oh?
Thank you.
Go and enjoy. Massive.
What is it? Why would you let her enjoy the food alone now?
Why would she not enjoy the food alone? Allow her to eat the food. Bigger thing is coming our way. Bigger thing is coming to you. To us. You gotta go. Afia could leave us on.
What is this bigger thing?
Ozo. Ozo is the big thing that is coming. Nemo, get ready to dazzle him. Huh?
How and why should I dazzle him? I don't even know him.
My dear, Ozo is a businessman based in Nnewi. Very rich man. Mamia said that that Ozo is coming back. For the Okanne. You know what that means?
I don't know what it means.
That means if he comes back for Duke and he might be looking for a wife. In fact, he's coming back to look for a wife.
How is that my business?
It is your business, oh. It is your business. Because you are that wife he is coming back to look for. Do you hear me? Oh, do you want him to come and marry Mercy and take her to the city? Then Mercy will come back here and be doing shakara for you. Eh?
God forbid. God
Oh,
forbid.
oh. Watch up. Why in the village? Put it for everybody. Eh? This one that the mother is already siding on Mercy. Eh? We have to use it as an advantage to work against her. Because see how we here. You want to go? I have because see IFEKA is big here. We ye you don't trust in me. Never eat. No.
Une, good morning.
Morning. Why are you washing this early?
Nothing. I just want to finish my chores on time.
Are you going anywhere today?
No, I don't have work today.
Are you not going to see Mama Ozo today?
No, I'm not going to her house.
But you know, that woman is old. And she really needs help around the house. Hey, okay, I see. See what you will do. I will tell Udochukwu to help you with the house chores. Okay, so that you people will finish early. Once you are done, you will go to Mama Uzo's house and know if there's anything you can help her with. Oh?
No problem.
It's alright. Udo! Udochukwu!
Mama! Is Mama in the house? Mama! Mama! Is Mama in the house? Mama! Mama! Mama!
Are you dumb or something? You've been roaming around this house. Mama, pong, for over 20 minutes now. Is it not obvious that nobody is around? Biko, come, let's go.
But there's no padlock on the door. Maybe she didn't go far. Let's wait for her. Oh, she'll soon be here. Mama. Hey, Mama.
You're welcome. No,
Thank
Mama.
you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama.
Good to have you here.
Mama, we came to help
Mama,
you.
I came to help you out with house chores. So Mercy here offered to help. Yeah.
That is very nice of you. Very, very nice. But my sister's daughter came early this morning and she did all the inside cleanings. Yes.
Okay, Mama, no problem. We'll be on our way.
Mama, what about your laundry or yes, the compound? It has not been swept. We can sweep it.
Okay, thank you very much. You can do the sweeping. Mercy, follow me to the room so that you can see the dresses that are dirty and you can wash them from the vantage.
Mama, I will come with you. Mercy can do the sweeping. You can do the sweeping, right? Yes, I will go with you.
Okay, Mercy, just look what you can do. Right?
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, come.
Mama.
You're talking about food. If you see that marriage, that traditional marriage, it will be the talk of the village for the next few weeks. If you see cars, money was flying here and there. You trust me now? Anyone that makes the mistake of flying close to where I am, Central Bank,
Dorothy, I trust you. But let me ask, is that why that stupid woman Nkechi was carrying herself so high like a toro
What do you expect?
She didn't even allow anybody to talk today in the meeting. Is she the only person that the daughter got married to a rich man?
Presently, she is.
No problem. Let her wait. By the time my daughter will get married, hey, her daughter's traditional wedding will not be anywhere close to my daughter's own. We will scatter canopy everywhere. Motor will block road. Motor will not pass. Okada will not pass. The whole of our here, Karma, we will shut down. Then you know that something is happening.
Madam H.
You got to go.
I trust you. So, does she have a suitor yet?
Yes, now. Who? Ha. Is there Uzo? You know Uzo?
Uzo.
Which Uzo? You don't know Uzo? The son of Onyema. The one that lives in Unewi.
Chere? The one that is building that massive house close to a Karma.
Ijie.
Hey!
Ijie. He is the one that is asking for my daughter's hand in marriage. Hey, Chalko Dorati Biko. What's the meaning of this one?
Or what?
Why are you dancing? It's my daughter we are talking about and you're dancing when I'm supposed to be the one dancing.
No, now, Helen. Since you did not take the initiative to dance immediately, I decided to dance on behalf of you now. Meanwhile, she's our daughter, is she not?
She's not our daughter. She is my daughter. Or do you want to dance more than the celebrant?
Helen, this one, she's our collective daughter.
Do you hear me? Dorati. Because take that.
But Uchereno, are you trying to say that finally when this will happen?
You know it is very disrespectful to sniff on someone's clothes.
Better mind your business.
You know you don't really have to do this if you don't want to do it.
What are you talking about?
It's obvious you're doing all this for a reason. But whatever the reason is, it had better be good.
Mercy, you are not better than me. At least I don't pretend. Oh, you think I don't know the reason you're doing all these things for Mamuzo? I know it's because of Uzo, but I won't let you have him.
Oh. Finally the truth is out. No wonder Nne has been acting so strange today. Well, for your information, my dear sister, I do not know this Uzo. And I don't care about him. So you're just fighting yourself.
Better don't stand in my way. Where are you going?
I'm going home, of course.
Don't tell me you want to leave me here alone with this old woman.
Why not?
I can't wash all these clothes alone now. Help me.
Help you? Well, you chose to wash clothes, right? So enjoy yourself. Bye.
Mercy.
Can I help you?
Yes. You can help me with so many things at this moment. You know. But the thing is, why are you walking under the sun? Come in, I can take you to where you're going.
Excuse me? I mean, is that how you drive around looking for strangers to give a lift?
Oh, come on. I don't just move around looking for strangers to, give a lift. There is something special about you. That's why I offered to do that.
Thanks for the offer, but my house is just down the road. And besides, we are not going the same direction.
Oh, come on. There is nothing wrong with that. I can reverse and drop you to where you're going to. Yes.
Like I said, my house is just down the road. So thank you.
Hey, excuse me. I'm so sorry. My bad. All right? Let me do it properly. My name is Uzo. What's your name?
I don't give strangers my name.
Obiakwa. I mean, I am no stranger. I'm from this village.
The fact that you're from this village, that doesn't mean that I know you.
Then, you see, one thing in life is you meet strangers and they become your friend. All right? Your parents were once strangers to each other, but they met each other, from hello, hi, something happened. So, I mean, you can still tell me your name. Oh, okay, I see you're still contemplating on that. But I want to tell you something. I can get your name in a second if I want to, even where you stay. Oh, can I bet now? Do you want us to bet?
How do you intend to do that?
Okay, see how it goes. If I did not get your name in 2 minutes, you win my car.
Your car?
Yes. But if I get your name, you marry me.
Wait. Are you joking or what?
I am not kidding. I'm serious. I'm damn serious.
Okay, fine. Your time starts now.
Okay. Bro, excuse me, huh? Good day. Please, do you know this beautiful girl? What is her name?
Please don't tell him my name. Don't tell him. Please, just ignore him. Go where you're going. Tell him my name.
Now you're cheating.
Now you have 50 seconds to go. You are going to give me your car.
Keep trying.
Get ready to leave your car.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, do you know this beautiful girl? What is her name?
Please, don't tell him. Don't tell him my name. Please, don't.
You're cheating, oh. This is not...
Don't even answer
Okay,
him.
just hold on.
Don't tell him my name. Okay? Don't tell him my name.
Hey.
No, you are cheating.
This will be yours. If you know her name, tell me.
Her name is Umasi, the daughter of Benjamin Uzodikesa.
It has happened. So this is for you.
Thank you.
All right, go and enjoy.
You know, I can't believe my own fellow woman sold me out because of that little money.
Mercy, daughter of Benjamin. What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, it was just a silly bet. It was nothing serious.
Hey, it's everything serious. I won the bet, so you will marry me. Simple. Oh, yes.
You know, you're actually very funny. I mean, who asks a girl for a hand in marriage in the middle of the road?
And that is the reason you lead me to your house. So all road leads to your house. Please hop into my car and lead the way. All right?
Look, I don't have time for this, okay? It was nice playing with you, Mr. Uzo. Bye.
Mercy. What a beautiful name. Mercy Kwanum. Imasemu. Hey, always remember someone warned you and you refuse to give the person the price. I'm coming to collect it. I will surely find you, girl. Man, what I won the prize. What a beautiful name, Mercy.
Hey, you're already done.
Yes.
Almost.
Almost done, ma.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is your sister?
That one. Mama, forget it though. As far as money is not involved, she cannot do any work wholeheartedly. She abandoned the sweeping immediately you left. I was the one that swept everywhere. She even said that if you're not paying, she's not working.
She said that?
Yes.
Yeah, she should have told me now. She should have told me.
Mama, don't worry. I'm always here for you. Okay. Is there another thing you want me to do for you?
Yes, I have some cassava stems at the back. Can you cut them for me?
Of course. Why not? I can cut them. Let me just finish washing these few clothes out and I'll come and cut everything sharp.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Your sister really surprised me today. Your sister surprised me. I'm telling you, I thought she's a good girl.
She's not though. She even told Mama and I that you paid her only 2,000 naira after working in your farm the whole day.
She didn't tell me that what I paid her, she was not pleased with what I paid her. Eh? Oh my goodness. See, when you are going home, when you are going back, I'll give you more money to give her. Tell her I'm sorry.
This is my second time of coming to your house. Where did you go to?
I went to Mama Ozo's house. I went to help her with some house chores.
Okay. See, I bought this at IFEOMA today.
This is very beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful. After you told me what that wicked woman did.
Shh! Keep your voice down. Nee, how long have you been standing there?
Good afternoon. No, sorry. Good morning, ma.
Long enough to hear your stupid friend calling me a wicked woman.
Hey, Nee, it's not what you think.
Yes, Nee, it's not what you think. We are sorry.
I will forgive your ill behavior today because of my friend Dorothy. You have changed from the good girl you used to be. Eh? To an ill-mannered and disrespectful child ever since you started going out with this Mercy.
Nee, I'm sorry.
Where is your sister?
I left her there. But I told you to keep your voice down.
You said it. Forget about her. So, what should we sew with this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I'm thinking of sewing V-neck like this. At a puff, then here will be very slim and tight.
V-neck.
V-neck like this, like this.
The one that'll be showing your breast.
That is what I want.
Oluebube.
If you don't like it, please choose your own style. Now,
Here.
let me see. This will be very fit on you.
Yes. But this material is beautiful.
Yes, I choose it myself.
You know something.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mama. Don't worry, I told you, I'm here for you.
Thank you.
Mama, who is this?
I don't know.
Atalugo nne m.
Atalugo
nne m. Mama mo.
No.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey,
Thank you.
No. This wasn't the car you came with the last time you came.
Mama, I have plenty cars now. This is one of them.
Oh my God, thank
Mama
God. You didn't tell me you were coming now. You took me unawares.
Mama, I decided to surprise you. Let me give you a little surprise. I decided to come in today because I want to come and supervise what's going on the site.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Fine wine. Mama, where can
I am Udochukwu by name.
Udochukwu. Udo ya adelele.
She accompanied her sister to come and help me.
Actually, I came to help Mama with house chores.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. That's so good of you. Thank you so much for looking after my mother.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you. No.
Mama.
In as much as you didn't tell me you were coming, but you know now.
I know you. Mama, I know you.
We have a lot to talk about.
No problem. No problem.
Of course, Dad, of course.
My dear, please, can you help me with things in the car?
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
It's open, eh?
Okay, sir.
Mama, I know who you are.
Of course.
I'm on no fire.
Udochukwu. You will soon be driving this car. Very soon, you will be the one driving this car. I will use it and splash water and dust on my enemies. In fact, anywhere I enter, people will bow. I got more than butter. You want to go? They don't know.
Where did you get all this money from?
Ozo gave it to me.
Is he back?
Yes, so he surprised his mother. We were just together and all of a sudden, he drove in.
Ezio.
Hey! All this money now
is
just a thank you for taking care of his mother.
Hey!
Mama, you needed to see the way I suddenly and sharply took Mercy's credit. I didn't even let his mother mention her name at all. I caught it.
I trust you. What is sharp? That's okay, good.
He is so rich. If you see car, or jeep.
Hey! 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 Did he look at you?
He didn't just look at me. He called me fine wine.
You know what? And you know? Something it for him.
I had to be a good girl. I stayed back to help his mother make dinner. Wow. He was just praising me.
Udo, you called me.
Is it now that I called you? Take it.
Why are you giving her that huge amount of money?
What's this money for?
Mamoza asked me to give it to you since you complained that she didn't pay you well the last time. So she decided to add more money.
But I never complained.
Ngwana, since you don't like money, give it to me.
I will return this money to her first thing tomorrow morning.
I don't think she would like to see you.
Udo, what have you done? What did you do?
Mama, he is so fine. Okoroka.
Hey!
I'm already dreaming of our traditional marriage. That is a Uzochukwu, wet Udochukwu. That would be IGBANUGO, Uzo, Udo.
It should be IGBANUGO, Udo, N'ụzọ. If you translate it to English, it means peace on the way.
Hey,
you got that?
Peace on the way. That sounds very perfect.
No, that's why I have to dodge this money. Man, I want a car.
Did you see her face?
She's jealous.
She's pained.
Very jealous.
I want anything.
Hi. See how my way go. Yeah? And I have money.
You have to give me some.
What will you be needing money for?
What I need money for?
Okay, I'll give you 1,000.
Hey, what's 1,000? I was the one that did the work now. At least you give me half.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey. Oh. Eken. Why are you making noise here?
I came to see you now.
And that's why you want to bring down my father's house. Pong, 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 pong. What do you want?
Sorry. You know I've not seen you for days. I've been trying to see you, but you're not seeing me. So I came to find out if you're avoiding me.
Tell me, which girl in her right senses will not avoid you? Ijego.
Bim, you're talking like this. It's me. Second, what did I do?
Poverty! That is your crime. You don't have money. Again, now you have decided to be useless. You don't want to be useful to yourself. I can no longer hang around you. Else your ill luck will just rub off on me.
Don't you wait though. I thought you said you love me. Why are you talking to me like that?
Love?
Yes, nah. You say you love me.
What did I hear you say? Love you? Ekena, love is not for wretched people. Wretched people like you don't deserve love. Love now, the word love is for rich people. So please don't abuse it. Eh?
Don't start though. This love, and poverty. It's not you that finished my money. Eh? I cannot buy me nkwobi. I cannot buy me buy me bleaching cream. Buy me organic cream. Buy me Brazilian hair, Peru hair, village hair. Which hair did I not buy? Eh? Don't insult me, oh. It's you that finished my money.
Which money? Which money?
How the abacha I bought for you, uncle?
Change. Ega akara. That's what you're making noise here for.
It's not really akara. I bought bread. Akara and bread. Added bread on top of it.
Ekena, you feel like me. At this point, leave my house.
You say?
Leave my father's house.
I should go.
I say leave my... I will deal with you. Leave my house.
Get the wheelchair, get the wheelchair.
Can't you hear him? Pretend him here.
Remember what the doctor said. He said he will be well again. Huh?
Raymond, my heart aches seeing him in this condition. He's suffering. I wish I would take it away. I wish Jarisewa would be in his place. It's so painful.
Honey, put yourself together. I understand. I feel it too. But you have to be strong to take care of him. If you are not capable, you cannot take care of him. So please do not break down.
I will not. I will not break down. I will take care of him.
That is good. Then don't be too hard on yourself. So, okay? Everything will be fine. It's good.
Raymond.
Hey! Mama, I missed your special soup. My favorite.
Oh, thank you. I am happy that you like it. But
this is it.
It's not me that made it. It's not me.
So, who made it then?
Udochukwu.
Mama, you must have told her how to make my special egusi soup.
Bamba, no, I didn't. That girl is a wonderful cook. I'm telling you, she's a very good cook. There's this adage that says, you get a man's heart through the food you give him.
True. Yes, Yoku. But Mama, this one you're, painting words, trying to, what are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to say that that girl is a very beautiful girl. And she is a very good cook.
Mama, talking about beauty, talking about her being beautiful, no doubt. But there is this other girl that caught my heart. Mama, you need to see this girl. Ma.
Is it in the city?
In this village, oh. City again. In this village, Mama. Hey. I'm telling you, you need to see her. She's an epitome of beauty.
But talking about beauty is not all that it takes in marriage. Beauty is not enough.
Mama, she has everything I want in a woman. Now, if we are, or if any knows on my job, it is everything I want in a woman.
Okay. Who is she?
Just calm down. One kid in my colleague. I will just you, okay?
Okay.
Hi. Egusi amaya. Very sweet.
Are you still breaking this firewood?
Yes, Mama.
Please hurry up so that you can come and help me in the kitchen. You need to come and pan fufu. What's wrong with you? This small thing, you cannot break firewood. Go. Hey, come here. And where do you think you're going?
Mama, I want to go and see Uzo.
You want to go and see Uzo? But you're just coming from their house a few hours ago.
He wasn't home. His mother said he went to inspect his house next to Ekama.
It's okay, no problem. But don't stay late too.
I won't.
It's alright. Did you iron your clothes?
Yes, Mama.
Stretch it well, and wind it very well for him. Do this thing now. Let's go. What's all this? Let's go and cook. Okay, after you.
Mama, I saw his car. I think he's coming here.
Whose car?
Who else?
Who's what you? Hey, so. You see how to break firewood. Oh.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Namo.
Good to see you. You came when I'm acting like a man. It's one of my many hobbies.
Hey, so if Lonya, on our one go. Hey, Wally and Kueva, I pull your job.
I can see that. You see, I can. Mercy. I came to see you. Yes.
I thought it's Udochukwu that you are here to see.
I didn't even know it's a house.
Come bring chair.
Don't worry. Mama, don't worry yourself.
You are sure you don't want to sit down?
Oh, yes. I'm okay. Mercy, I know you're surprised to see me. I told you I would find you. Right? We had a bet, and here I am. I am here to marry you.
Yeah? Chilo, you have come to do what? To marry Mercy?
Yes, Mama.
This is a joke, right?
I'm serious. Mama, you see, I like your daughter Mercy so much. From the day I set my eyes on her, I have not stopped thinking about her.
What about me? Is she better than me?
Oh, Nana, see, just look at it.
Thank you, Nana.
Very pretty. Good packaging everywhere. And this is my daughter. Hey! This girl is hardworking. You can see her breaking firewood.
Like a man.
If this girl do something for you, hey! And she's so pretty. Look at skin everywhere. Very beautiful. I'm telling you.
It's fine, it's fine.
Can I go to the backyard to see Mercy? In the backyard? No. If you want to sit down, come this side. How can you go into the backyard?
Sir, please eat. If you don't eat, your mother will kill me. This state is the reason why you are not eating.
Madam! Oga, help me! My head! Madam!
What are you doing to my son? Come. What did you do to
Madam, I did not do anything to him.
Liar! You don't have reacted this way if you did nothing.
I was only trying to feed him. He was playing with the teddy, so I collected it from him.
You did what? Faith! You know exactly what this teddy means to him. Why did you take it away from him?
Because I wanted him to eat the food.
Do you still need your job? Then, get up and start feeding him. If this kind of thing repeats itself again, I will throw you back to the streets.
Just wanted him to eat. I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself. Now get up and feed him.
Mercy Chukwu.
Yes, Nne.
I want you to tell me the truth. Have I ever wronged you?
No, Nne.
Since your mother passed on, have I ever given you any reason to miss her?
No.
Have I not been a good and caring mother to you?
You have.
So why are you bent on destroying my own daughter's life?
Nne, I would never do anything like that. If this is about what happened now, I didn't know that he was Mama Ozo's son.
Shut up!
I didn't know.
Liar!
Why? It's okay.
Udo, I'm not lying. I only met him once on my way home from Mama Ozo's house. That's the truth, I'm not lying.
I believe you.
Hey! Mama, how can you believe what she's saying?
Will you shut up? I'm still talking. Mercy.
Nne.
I want you to listen attentively. Anywhere you see Uzo, flee for your dear life. Run. If you want this house to contain both of us. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Nne.
Good. You can now go inside.
Mama, how can you let her go like that? You should have taught her a lesson.
You talk too much.
Oh well, Nam, she's not bad. She's a nice girl. It was this particular girl that cleared all my farmlands this season. Yes. But has she agreed to marry you?
No serious conversation yet. But when I saw her, I know she's the one for me. I intend extending my stay here in the village, at least to get to know her and marry her before I travel.
That would be good. That would be good. But if I am to say something, if I am given the chance to choose for you, I would say Udochukwu is a better option. It's not that the two of them are not good. The two of them are really good. But I think Udochukwu is a better option.
What made you think so, Mama?
You know, that girl, Mercy, Anya Adikaya Nego, she likes money so much. There is nothing she does and she will not demand money. That girl is a sly. She's not what I figured her to be. That is my own aspect of it.
Mama,
I said, now.
Good afternoon. I came to return your money. Udochukwu said you gave me this money in addition to the one you already gave me for clearing your farmland.
Yeah, that was because she said you complained. She said you complained that what I paid you was not enough. So I gave her that to complete it.
I never complained. I never did. I am very content with the money you gave me for clearing your farmland. So that is why I've come to return this money to you.
Do you know I was surprised? I was so surprised when she said this. I was so surprised. I said, is this not my match? But come to think of it, why should someone lay such an accusation on the very sister? Tell such a lie about your sister?
I don't know. But I should get going.
Oh, okay.
This your money.
No, keep it. Just keep it. No. I'm not angry. No, I'm not angry. Please keep it. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Don't worry, let me see you up, eh? Mom, Auntie, you can
that's the end of
Hey! How are you now? Mercy, keeping silent is not the best. Right? I mean, you're not saying anything to me.
I have nothing to talk about.
I don't think so. Mercy, you're not talking to me. You have to talk to me.
That is because I have nothing to say.
I don't think so.
Why do you keep bothering me? What is it?
Mercy, I want to marry you.
But I do not want to marry you.
I know the way I started was off and out of line.
Way out of line. It was way out of line.
Mercy, just calm down, right? I am serious. Believe me. I want to marry you. For real. Okay, just hear me out. You know, listen to me and watch how it goes. You took away everything in me and honestly, I want all of you.
But my sister likes you. And I don't want to fight with her over a man. Sorry.
Mercy. So you're saying no to me because your sister, you feel your sister likes me. Not even for the fact that or maybe you don't like me. Mercy. Mercy. Mercy, it's you I want. I don't even care about your sister. Your sister shouldn't be a barrier. Mercy.
Fine. Ndewo no. Omekwa ndị nọ ebe a.
Onye?
Ọwanye o.
Ewo.
Good morning. Ichie Paul. And Ekenna. This is the one that you are coming to my house this morning. I hope all is well.
They say time and tide waits for no one. Yes.
And it is advised that you look for a black goat in the daytime.
I don't understand it here. Which one is black goat? You are talking in parables. Please, my compound do not harbor any black goat. Go straight to the point, please.
But it harbors a beautiful flower.
So, what are you here to do exactly?
To pluck the flower.
To pluck the flower? Ichie Biko, just Nayaliana, this is my compound. Look around very well. There is no flower in my compound. The only thing you can see is just trees and usisiabo, except you want a cassava leaf. Is that what you want?
Helen, this is my son, Ekenna. He has come to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Ezeoku.
Onye? Ekenna?
Me, yes.
You want to marry my daughter?
Yes, ma.
Which of my daughters, Biko?
Udom, no. Udochukwu.
You want to marry Udochukwu?
Udo baby.
It's okay, no problem. Just make yourself comfortable. Or let me go and call her. I would have said, let me offer you a seat, but it's okay, just stay there, You are comfortable that side. I'm coming. Oh, yeah, come Udo, you will almost visit us.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Ichie Paul and Kama. What is that his name?
Ekenna.
They came asking for your hand in marriage.
Me? Ekenna?
Udom. I came to marry you.
Have you lost your mind? So, after what I did to you the last time, you still had the guts to come to my house with beer? Mama, is this cassava or yam?
I don't know. It looks like cassava because I've never seen this type of yam.
Hey. So you actually came to marry me with these cheap things?
Bamba. Helen, please, your daughter will not insult us.
Okay.
You can see these items, they are expensive.
Very expensive, oh. Very expensive.
Hey! Helen, Ichie. If not because of your title, I would have insulted you big time. How can you classify these items as very expensive? They go to this one, beer. Ordinary beer, not even expensive beer. This common beer, Nemorafa. It doesn't have name. I don't know whether this thing is
Why are you talking to us like this?
And poverty-stricken yams. Hey! Hey!
I cannot stand here any longer to receive all these insults.
I'm just telling you the truth.
Let us go.
Udom, I will die you.
Let us go.
I would. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not.
Before you run me,
for that matter, I will die you.
Let us go.
Go. Carry these things and go.
Don't embarrass me.
Embarrass you, Mogini. When you took your son to come to my house with all these things.
No. Let us go. Come, let us go.
Go with your father now. You go carry all these things and go. What is all these things now?
What is it? Let us go. Come, let us go.
Come and carry these things, because my house is not shrine.
Come and carry this. Let us go.
Another person will do this.
Let us go.
Nobody will do me anything.
Let us go.
Again now.
Come
and carry your things, Come and carry these things you are presenting here because this is not shrine. Come and carry it. I don't know about you here. Come and carry your things. Come and carry your things, Hey.
Do you like him?
Does it really matter? You know how Nne can be very partial when it comes to Udochukwu.
Yes, but do you like him?
I think he's a nice person. I mean, the first time I met him, I didn't know he was serious when he said he's going to marry me. And I like his sense of humor. And I like the way he spoke to me that day.
So, why are you not accepting his proposal? What's holding you?
Oluwebupe, Utochukwu and Nne will kill me.
Kill you for what? Kill you that you want to get married? Mercy, when will you stop thinking about these people and start thinking about yourself? Now listen, if you don't marry Uzochukwu, you will have me to deal with. And what is funny?
And what are you going to do?
I'll scold you first, will drag your ears. If that will make you hear me.
With this your tiny hands?
My hands are tiny. Do you want us to try it? No, let's try one.
So why don't you want to come inside?
I won't be staying for long. How is Nne?
She's fine. She went out. So how are you doing?
I'm fine. I actually came to ask you something.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Do you really want to marry me?
Of course. I want to marry you.
Why?
Because you're all I want in a woman. You're likable. You're beautiful. You're brilliant. I mean, you're everything I've dreamt to have in a woman. I mean, what else can I ask God? What else can I ask God for? I mean...
Fine. You can come and see my people.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You will marry me? For real? So... oh my God, come on. You just made my day.
I cannot continue to watch him like this anymore.
But there is nothing we can do. He will recover at his own time.
He doesn't have his own time. Please, let's take him back to the hospital, please.
But we just came back from the hospital.
I know. We have to take him to another hospital. We'll keep trying different hospitals until he's fine. Please.
Listen, honey. God did not give him this second chance for nothing. It is for a reason. He's not going to remain like this for eternity. Have faith in God.
I've lost faith in everything. I've lost faith in God. Where was God when that accident took away the life of Mercy and my grandchildren? And you're telling me to have faith in him? Why must he give us something and take it away when it starts to blossom? Why?
Honey, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Let it not look as if you're blaspheming against God. God has a purpose for everything.
His purpose is slim this time. It's slim! We have to take him to another hospital, please. We have to.
You are still not understanding what I'm saying.
Because you are not talking sense, my dear. You are not talking sense.
Mama Udochukwu.
Ojugo.
Nwanyi bi.
Yeah.
No.
Onemo.
Keki mekwa.
I'm fine. No. Kekunu mekwa.
I do channel, we are fine. This one your bag is filled up. I hope you did not buy all the whole foodstuffs in the market.
Chelo, this small bag. How can the whole foodstuff in Ekama market be contained in this bag? Ekama is not a small market.
Don't mind me, Nwanyi Bem. I was only joking. Actually, I've been meaning to come to your house.
You want to come to my house?
Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
Mbano, it's for good.
If it is for good,
it's about your sister's daughter, Mercy.
Mercy. That girl is always looking for trouble. What has she done this time around? Because she's always looking for trouble everywhere.
Mbano. She did not do anything.
Okay.
You know my first son, Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka, my first son now.
Chelo. Nke no na army.
The
one that drives big motor about jeep whenever he comes back.
Hey,
my son.
He's interested in your sister's daughter, Mercy.
Hey! Ojugo. Hey! Sometimes you don't know the type of things to be discussed on the road.
Yeah,
no. But my dear, I don't think it will work because she has already been taken.
Ezioku.
Somebody has already asked for her hand in marriage.
Yeah, Nyabiaronogi.
One man from Amozara came asking for her hand in marriage. In fact, the man has paid the dowry. Everything that needs to be done, the man has done everything. Hey. The only thing remaining now is for him to come and wed her and then take her home.
Chai, that good girl. I know she will never be single for long.
How I wish.
I
wish at the Ogo, but I am now. I need that army in-law so that I will be looking for trouble here and there.
Mamu, don't you call them so? I'm on my even.
Bye.
Okay, let me run around.
Bye. Bye.
You called me.
Yes, I did. Mercy.
Yes, Nne.
Did I do anything wrong by taking you in when your mother died?
No, Nne. What happened?
Oh, you're asking me what happened? Eh? Why did you go about the whole village spreading rumor about Udochukwu and I?
Nne, I never did that. I didn't do anything. I didn't spread any rumors about you.
So why did you go about the whole village telling them that we maltreat you? That we don't do anything in this house? That every house chores is done by you? You cook, you wash plates, you sweep, you do this, we do that, and upon all the things you're doing, that we are maltreating you. Why?
Nne, you don't maltreat me. You've never maltreated me.
Why did you then go about the whole village telling them that we maltreat you? Eh? That is only you that is doing everything in this house.
Nne, you don't maltreat me.
I don't maltreat you.
Yes, Nne.
Yeah, come. No, Bia. I don't maltreat you. But why is it that every rich suitor wants your hand in marriage?
From his previous hospital record, it says he was in a coma for over a year.
Yeah.
He had an accident and that resulted to traumatic brain injury. Am I correct?
Yes, doctor. You are quite correct.
Okay.
But since he came out of that coma, he has not been able to speak. The only thing he mumbles is beer.
He behaves just like a child.
A bear?
Actually, it's a teddy bear, doctor.
Okay. So, what does it have to do with a teddy bear?
Is his late daughter's, I think.
Okay. Okay, I want to know, does he
sometimes have emotional outbursts or maybe crying unnecessarily?
He doesn't cry, but I witnessed him go extremely violent a couple of times, especially when one takes away that teddy bear from him.
Okay, we will commence treatment on him. But in addition to that, you need to marry him a wife.
Huh?
Wife?
Yes. Someone who will show him love and affection. Someone who will be emotionally attached to him. I think with that, it will speed up his recovery.
Doctor, which lady will agree to marry Raymond in this condition?
It's not even possible, Doctor. I can take care of him. Already we've hired the help that is helping us take care of him. Please, Doctor.
Like I said earlier, he needs someone who will be emotionally attached to him.
More than the emotional affection we share? Come on, Doctor. Raymond has been in this condition since he came out of coma. And it will be very, very unfair if we marry him a wife without his consent. Doctor, please.
Okay. That means we have to take the longer route. But it will take years. Yes. But that is not a guarantee that he will come out of this so soon.
Doctor, please. How long will this longer route take before we start seeing positive results?
It will take years. And that is not a guarantee that he will come out of this situation so soon.
That is true.
Honey, I've been thinking.
Thinking about what?
About what the doctor said. Are we being unfair to him?
How can you say that? How can we be unfair to him? His recovery should be our utmost priority.
Which is why we must marry him a wife.
Hey. What happens when he recovers?
She lives.
Ah. But where can we find a decent woman now for him?
From the village, of course.
Village? Yes. Yeah. You know as much as I do that you've not seen your people for years now. How are you going to go about it?
Are you going to support me on this or not?
Of course I will support you.
Then let me do this. My boy! My God. My boy.
What is happening? Where is Faith?
Faith! Faith!
I told you she cannot take care of him. I said it.
Faith!
Are you going to stand there or help me get him back to the wheelchair?
Faith! Where did you leave him and go? And why is he in this condition?
I went to use the bathroom, not quite long. I'm sorry, sir.
Faith, I don't want to kill you. Go in there, pack your things and leave my house before I strangle you.
I'm sorry.
Tell him.
I needed to use myself.
Tell this thing to leave my house immediately. Get out!
Why did you keep me waiting?
You are even lucky I came here. After you insulted me and my father.
It was your fault now, eh? Didn't I tell you that I am not interested?
Oh, it's my fault and you're not interested. If you're not interested, why did you invite me here?
There is something I want you to do for me.
Udochukwu, me do something for you.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think I want to do something for you?
Because I know you need money now. Eh? You are broke now. And I'm going to pay you good money just to do small something for me.
What is it? Udochukwu, you are evil.
Will you shut up? Michonu,
leave me alone.
What's wrong with you? Eh? This is just a small task now.
Oh, you call this a task? Let me tell you, this is not a task. This is an abomination. See, I've always known you are wicked, but I never knew you have a touch of evil inside you too.
50,000 naira.
You say 50,000?
Mm-hmm.
Is it cash?
Mm-hmm. I have advance here, Seth.
See, me, I don't like this kind of job. I don't do this kind of thing. But you can bring it.
Look at his face. Advance. You too like money.
You don't like money. In fact, if you're not giving me, I'll start going.
Hey, wait. Hey, this is 20,000 naira. You will get your balance once the job is done.
Udochukwu, from the way you wrap this money and from where you brought it from, I don't trust it. I want to count it and be sure.
See, you have to do this job tomorrow or next.
I've heard. Don't come and be disturbing my life. Oh.
Tomorrow or next.
I've heard you. See, it's not because of this small money. Oh. I don't do such thing normally. We can do it. No thanks. I hope you came with a nylon bag. Yeah? Yes, I did. Put it in your bag. Oh? Helen, leaving my house, I came with a bag. Oh, because I felt, as in, I want to come. Is this the only thing you're giving me?
Dorothy, do you know your problem? Yeah? You're not even grateful that I gave you these sizable tubers of yam. And you're still talking. If you don't like them, give me my yam, Biko.
Okay, sizable. Come to go to me. The day you went to buy this yam in the market, did they bring kwashokod yam? Because why do it?
Oh, you're calling these two big tubers of yam kwashokod yam when you cannot even carry it.
Can't get sizable tubers of yam. Come joke. Ufaka nesili.
You get jitrela webulie.
Sizable. Okay.
Not sizable.
With one hand.
Can't you see you can't even carry it?
Helen, I am not you that has a rich soon-to-be son-in-law. Nemonia Gozria Gozibia. Eh? Ozo is one of the richest men in this community. And I know he's lining your purse with huge amounts of money. Nyetu one negi.
I have blessed you. Tell me, how can a rich son-in-law get married to your daughter when your daughter is being overshadowed by Mmasi? Eh? She's walking in Mmasi's shadow. How do you expect her, a rich in-law to get married to her? Eh? How can she find a rich son-in-law? It's better you do something about it too.
Now that you have reminded me of it, Kamjugodugi, who exactly is Ozo coming to marry? Or Masik or Udochukwu?
And what sort of question is that? Eh? Is Udochukwu my daughter, of course? Ha!
Because Oluebube told me that Uzo is asking for Mercy's hand in marriage. And Udochukwu is rather on the other side, throwing herself at him.
Hey! Hey! This Oluebube, your daughter, can lie for Africa. You see? I don't blame her because she's always following Mercy, and then Mercy is always influencing her, teaching her bad things. Now she's lying big time.
You know, you told me Uzo was coming for Udochukwu's hand in marriage.
Exactly.
But when Oluebube told me this, I'm not confused.
Dorati. Oh, don't you trust me, Helen, again? You know what I can do?
Are you the one asking this question? Are you not seeing it? Are you the one not seeing the scenario that is playing out? This was exactly the same thing that happened between you and Obianuju, your younger sister. She committed suicide because of what you did to her.
You don't have to talk like this. You should know what to say in the open. Don't you know walls have ears?
I will go. Come on,
start going now. My in-law. If you are about to leave, if we are getting on, we go to shop. After the back, we're going to give just going to go see a doctor. Hey,
he's going to open the door for
her. Oh, hey,
it's you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How is your mother?
Oh, the mother, she's fine. Okay, I have to take my leave.
It's okay.
See you later, eh?
Bye.
Okay.
Can I go back? Oh. Where are your people coming from?
Mama, I accompanied him to go and inspect the site.
And so we'll go inside and eat the food. Oh? Yeah, just go inside. Oh.
Hey, Helen. You okay? Don't allow history to repeat.
What is wrong with you? I gave you 2 devices of your
It's for shortcut.
No. You will come tomorrow. We are passionate. After this, you will come for rice.
Uzo, good to see you.
Udochukwu, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from your house.
Oh my goodness, to see me? I'm so sorry. I went out to see a friend. We can go back.
Actually, I went to drop your sister Mercy. We've been out all day.
Oh.
Did it okay?
Uzo, why don't you like me?
Udochukwu, trust me. Believe me, you're perfect.
If you like me and you find me perfect, why don't you marry me? Why Mercy? See, she's not who you think she is.
Allow me to be the judge. You see, I didn't just choose Mercy. My body, my heart, my soul chose her.
These are the things that make you...
Udochukwu. You'll be alright. Okay? Trust me, you'll be alright.
You will soon find out who she really is. Very soon.
Like I said, allow me to be the judge. You got the okay now. Oh, I love these your fingers, eh?
You do?
My baby sweet palm. Oh, give me
Because it's
the
very
fire.
soft, actually.
Even I would like to fix some.
You're here. Yes, I am here.
How are you?
Mama, what is this bag for?
They are my wrappers in there. You bought all of them for me.
I know. Ha. What are we using this for?
They are for her. They are the wrappers. I have not been wearing them. I don't have anywhere to go to. So, why should I keep them? They are now yours, my dear.
Uzo has given me enough money to buy clothes for the introduction. Enough money.
I know he may have given you money to buy it, but you are going to use these ones to add up. For your traditional wedding, you have to look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one is very good. It is your skin type. Look at it now. You don't want to touch it. You don't like it.
This is too much.
It's not too much.
Too much.
What is too much? You are a daughter to me. You are a daughter to the daughter I never had. That is what you are.
Babe, don't even stress it, right? Once my mind set her heart on something, you can never talk her out of it. Okay? So, don't worry. Mom can get you. It's alright.
So much. You know,
Get up.
I'm so grateful. God bless you. God bless you.
God bless you. Just get up. Get up. Huh? We are a family now. Eh? So, please. No. Never. So, these are your own. Take them. Add them up. Now, let me go inside and raise these old bones.
It's alright. It's alright, Mama. Thank you so much.
Thank you. God
Stop
bless
this
you.
thing
God
you're
bless you,
doing.
Mama. God bless you.
Stop. God bless you too.
Thank you.
God bless you. That is your sister. A sister you have.
It's it, I know. Mama, remember to take your supplements.
Of course.
Good evening.
Good evening, Namo. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Unu nọkwa na table.
Oh, Papa, what the man? Master, what are you still waiting for? Just sit for our visitor now.
Don't worry, I'll soon be leaving.
Mbano, how can you just leave when you... Let us go and get you food to eat. You cannot come to my house and go without eating. Oh my God.
No, it's fine. We ate a few minutes ago. Don't worry, one of these days, I will just come relax. And then let us see how can,
Oh my God, no.
we eat well. Yes.
Hey, why your phone at the
Mama, good night.
Couple of one thing. In 3 days time, yeah, bro, yours completely.
I can't wait. I can't wait to make up my wife. On how to say, man.
On how to go out now. But I mean, actually, it's our PhD in army, and you. So you have decided to go against my warnings, that you stay away from this young man. Oh, you want to villainize me so that people in this village will begin to see me as a wicked person. Okay?
No, but I really like him. I love him.
But, meh, I really like him. I love him. You like him or you like his money?
I don't know. I don't like his money. It's not what you're thinking. I like him.
I'm so glad, no problem. But very soon, yeah, just in 2 days' time, you'll be married. Okay? We are waiting. No problem. And you are on.
Nne. This is for you. This is for you.
Hi.
Odo, this is your own.
Very fine.
Smile all you want now, because it won't last for too long.
Hey.
I just wish you can be happy for me.
We all are happy for you. I have told you not to mind her. Very soon. Oh, just 2 days. Epolo Munye Uzo. People will now begin to address you as Munye Uzo. Eh? You become a Mrs. Etili MRS. Or certificate. No, if you want to eat here, you join me and eat. If you don't want to wear the clothes, let me be using it as blouse.
Mama! Mama! Oh! Mama! Oh! Good morning, ma.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Thank you.
You are Olu Ebube.
Yes, Olu baby.
Wow! You've grown so big! Last I saw you, you were just a little girl.
Thank you very much, ma. I don't know you. I would have said something about you.
I know. It's all right. I am Grace.
My mom's younger sister. Yes. Auntie Grace.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
My mother has said a lot of good things about you. Plenty things. We should not mention the car. You're welcome.
Never mind. Hey, where is she?
She's at the backyard. She's breaking firewood. Then let me call her. Don't go. Just wait. Wait, I'm coming. Mama!
Oh, baby. Can't believe it.
Nne, I've been calling you. Didn't you hear me?
How am I expected to hear you from here? Eh? What is it?
Nne, there's someone in our house.
With all these smiles, is it a suitor?
Nne,
Who is it?
come and see for yourself.
Okay, let me pack these things before it wounds somebody.
Nne, the person cannot wait. Just come, let's go. Let's see the person first. You'll come back. Yeah.
One.
Don't worry, just come. Oh.
Agaracha must come back. You finally came back. Hey, big woman. Munyo Garanya. What are you looking for in a poor man's house?
I'm so sorry, Dorat.
You're sorry? After how many years of disappearing, you came back to say you're sorry?
I'm truly sorry, my sister.
Grace, you know what? Just tell me, what do you need? Because the last time I checked, you came back 20 years ago because Raymond was having convulsion. You simply came back because you needed palm kernel oil. The moment you got it, you disappeared into thin air. Just peel it. What exactly do you need now?
Are you not going to hug your sister?
Hug you? Grace, hug you? Papa died. I sent for you. He did not come. Mama died. I still sent for you. You refused to come. Grace, you allowed me to carry those burdens alone. I bore those burdens alone. And now you ask me for a hug? It was not entirely my fault. I know it was not entirely your fault. And you know why? I am not supposed to be talking to you. I'm not supposed to be talking to you. Raymond! He's dying. He needs help. I said it. I said it. You did not come back because you missed your sister. You came because you need help. Right? That's the only time you remember me. You need help. No, Raymond is dying. Please, he needs your help. Please, please, please don't run to my sister. Please help your sister out.
Why do you like to keep me waiting?
Don't I have other things to do?
Fine. Why haven't you done the job?
You're rushing me. I'll do the job.
I'll do the job. This thing is next tomorrow.
Next tomorrow is too far. I'll do it tomorrow.
Don't disappoint me, oh.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Don't disappoint me, oh.
My own is keep my balance, oh.
You finish the work first.
Udo is to keep my balance, oh.
Finish the work. I'll give you your money.
I don't trust you. If you like, don't keep my balance. I'll do the job tomorrow.
Don't worry.
My balance.
Just go, Biko.
Nne, what happened? I mean, until today you've been saying nice things about Auntie Grace. What happened today?
You see, when my sister decided to get married to her husband, Douglas, my father kicked against the marriage because the man was very, very poor. He could not even afford 1 square meal a day. Our father had always wanted us to get married to rich men, so he said no to the marriage. That was where the problem started from.
But they eventually got married.
Traditionally, no. Because my father had disowned her. When he found out she was pregnant, he sent her out of the house. After she left, we didn't see her again until 20 years later. She actually came to look for palm kernel oil because Raymond was having a convulsion. That was why she came. Since then, we didn't get to see her again. Even though she attempted to make reconciliation with her father, but he refused and she left. We didn't see her again.
So, Nne, if they were that poor, how come they became rich all of a sudden?
I don't know. It was just people we know who lived close to their house that came and told us that they were suddenly very, very rich. That was when my father decided to reach out to her and get the family together. But she vehemently refused and cut all of us out, cut us off and stayed away from us.
In that case, I don't think she's at fault. I mean, if you reject me when I'm poor, do not acknowledge me when I'm rich because I would do worse. I would do worse than her. But Nne, please help her. Please.
How? No, help her. How? Even if I wanted to help her, you know I cannot do anything. You were here when she said that Raymond's condition is very bad. You had the situation she said he's in. Yeah, tell me, which young girl in this community will accept to marry a man like that?
But you can still do something.
Oh, okay, what else do you want me to? Okay, what? Suggest one girl around. If he was not your cousin, I would have said, okay, let me suggest you. Ah. But no, you want me to help now. I'm attempting to help.
Yeah, that is not the help.
What other help do... Okay, see what will happen, eh? Denounce him as your cousin. Then you can go and marry him.
Eh?
You look beautiful. Thank you. I hope the makeup is not too much.
No.
You know, I like something very natural.
No problem. Don't worry. I'll make it very beautiful for you. Relax. I know what to do. You look very beautiful. I can't believe very soon you'll be answering Mrs. Uzo.
I can't believe it either. I just wish my mom was here to witness this beautiful occasion.
I wish that too. But do not start crying. You know how emotional you can get. Don't ruin my makeup with your tears. Like this. That is okay.
I just hope all this energy you people are draining, applying this makeup since morning, won't go to a waste.
What are you trying to say?
It is 5 p.m. already. No sign of your Uzo and his people. I just have this feeling that you're not getting married today.
God forbid!
I reject it too. I will be outside.
And when you are leaving, go along with your negative energy. What is even wrong with this girl? Don't worry, don't mind.
Look at what she's saying now.
No, I'm here for you. The next time she put it, I will knock her face off this place.
This is turning into an insult. Must they keep us here waiting for all the hours? Eh?
Are they still coming?
My husbands, please exercise a little more patience. Oh, I know they will soon be here.
I am sure something important is keeping them.
Exactly.
What is more important than this? Eh? Look at. It's getting dark already.
What is happening? Why is Uzo not here yet?
It's okay, just calm down. Oh, they'll still come. Don't worry yourself. There's still time now. Look at everywhere, sunlight. They'll still come.
Wait. My phone. Give me my phone.
Don't know what is holding these people. Eh?
Oh, what is it saying?
It's not reachable.
Try again. Try another one.
Hey!
What is it?
Chimo.
What is it?
Now the phone is switched off. His phone is switched off. What will I do?
I think it must be network.
No, it's not network. What am I going to do?
I think somebody should be sent over to his house to know if they are coming or not.
Okay.
I think you're right, Ichie. Bia, Udochukwu, run to their house and find out what is delaying them.
Mama, please count me out. I'm not going anywhere.
I will go. Mercy, please relax.
Just go,
Yes,
go.
Sit down.
Go. Please tell him to come. Tell him to come.
I'll be back. Please.
Also.
Mama! Mamuzo! Mamuzo! Mama!
Calm down.
Mercy, calm down. It's okay.
She'll soon calm down. It's not the end of the world. Just relax. Oh, she's here.
What is it? Did you see him? Are they coming? What's going on now? Say something. What are you? Say something. What's going on? Mercy, by the time you read this letter, I will probably be on my way back to Nnewi with my mother. Thanks for your betrayal.
No, it's okay, Mercy.
I don't think you can do something like this.
It's not the end of the world. Stop crying. You are still...
I just want to die.
No, you cannot die. You are still a very beautiful girl. Sit down. It's okay now.
This is the end of the life. Oh, this is the end of my life. I just want to die.
Hey,
what did I do? Why did Musa choose to embarrass me like this?
Please stop crying.
I done?
He doesn't deserve you. Please. Please stop crying.
If he developed a cold feet, why didn't he just tell me? Why didn't he just call me on the phone or something? Why will he choose to embarrass me this way? Why?
I think someone told him something. He thinks you betrayed him. That is what the letter said.
He never loved me.
Stop crying.
He never did. Because if he loved me, he's supposed to trust me. He's supposed to trust me.
Just stop crying, please. Stop crying.
Maybe I wasn't good enough.
Mbamba, don't even go there. Good enough for him. No, you are perfect. He is the one that is not good enough. Don't sell yourself short. With his head like that, he is not good enough for you. Stop crying, I know. Your eyes are almost falling out too.
Ekena, you are too much. Oh. Hey, what did you do?
When it comes to sabotaging, I'm the champion.
Hey, this one is more than sabotage. I enjoyed every bit of the drama. You are very bad, though. You are bad.
Oh, don't would be bad.
Hey, how did you pull that up?
Come in.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. If it's my mother you're looking for, she's not around.
I'm not here to see your mother. I'm here to see you.
Do I know you?
You don't know me, but I know you very well. My name is Ekena.
Are you from this village?
Yes, I'm from this village. I've come to warn you. Leave my girlfriend alone. Leave my girlfriend alone.
Girlfriend?
Yes, now. Mercy is my girlfriend. We are even planning to get married next month before you came and spoiled the whole plans. Yeah? She not left me because of you. But what I will not take is Mercy taking my child to another man. I will not allow you to. Not want my life. Mercy is pregnant for me. Yes, she's too much pregnant for me. She's carrying my baby.
Are you alright? Do you know what you're saying?
See, everybody in this village knows it's me and Mercy. Even her mother and her sister. Yeah? You just come and spoil things for us like that.
Are you aware we're getting married?
That is why I came. See, it's because you're a good man. And I know she didn't tell you the truth. That's why I decided to come and tell you myself. Mercy, my girlfriend, is pregnant. 2 months pregnant for me. So, I think you should be aware. Leave my girlfriend alone. Leave her alone. Because I don't have money. I
You
don't
are
bad.
bad.
Oh, no, they bad.
You are not that senseless after all.
Eh? Baby, mama, don't insult me. What's that now?
Calm down, Biko. You're getting too serious these days. Small
Yeah.
thing, you are angry.
Okay.
Anyway, he came to see Mama.
Where is that good for nothing girl? Oh, put that, I know. Because see, I know. No. Call her. Call her speaker for me. Where's my Mercy?
Your blood is too hot.
Where is she? Mercy.
She's not around. I sent her to the market to go and buy things for the traditional marriage.
Listen to me. There will be no introduction or she tells me who IFEKA is and why she wants to try that pregnancy on me.
Oh.
Yes.
So you have heard?
Oh, so you knew. Oh, you're even aware.
I tried talking her into not going to that marriage, but she never wanted to listen to me. She loved you so much that she don't want to hear what I was saying. At the time, I decided to stop so that people will not say, this woman is so wicked, she's heartless, she don't want her to get married.
Dear Liemo. See, tell that girl never to come anywhere close to me. Now everything concerning me, Solomon.
Biko, calm down. Calm down. Oh, we can settle it.
There is nothing we settle. There is nothing. 1 year will everything concerning me, Solomon. Simple. Nonsense.
We can settle it, oh. Biko no one na.
This was so easy.
Easy now, Gene. Did you hear how he was barking like a dog? Whoa! As if my house wants to break
down. I cannot wait to rub this on Mercy's face.
Hey, Mama. Not yet, Biko.
Mama, why now?
Is Uzo not coming to marry you in the first place? So we don't have to tell her anything so that we will embarrass her. You want to go piano proper embarrassment of Nanya.
So she will prepare, expecting Uzo and his people to come.
Why? You are too smart. Give it too much. Because I need to change my name from just Helen to Helen and Planners Association of and Udo Planners Association of That's good. That's good. Okay. At least I've done my own part of the plan now. You have to fulfill your own part of the bargain.
Which is?
What an agreement now.
I don't remember. Tell me.
Udochukwu, you agreed to marry me.
Hey! Ekenna, it's like there is something wrong with you. Marry who? God forbid.
Hey, Udochukwu, don't play with me, oh. Don't play with me, oh. I will expose you.
To who? What can you do? Ewu.
Okay. Udochukwu. Oh, you're working out on me now, Abi? Oh. You're trying me, oh.
Did I not pay you?
You paid me. How much did you pay me? After all, have you even paid me my balance? Did you pay me balance?
As a matter of fact, 5 naira you won't even get from me again. Ebi na one.
Oh, Udochukwu, Irielam. Irim. In this village, I will expose you. I will sing. Everybody will hear the story. Okay. Try and see. Mercy. Please sit down.
Is anything the matter?
Mercy, we are talking about you now. And following what happened last time, we deemed it fit that it is better for you to get married as soon as possible.
Get married? No. Nee, I don't want to get married. I want to go back to school.
Yeah? Go back to where? Who will train you? That's the name to why you don't.
Nee, I will walk. I will walk and train myself. You don't need to bother yourself about that.
Mercy, you know my daughter is your very good friend. Your best friend, to be precise. And your mother, when she was alive, was equally a very good friend to me. You're like a daughter to me. Chai, Obianuju. May her soul continue to rest in peace. Amen. Oh. Namely, our elders say that when a child is learning to climb a tree and that child falls, he or she is encouraged to continue climbing. Continue climbing on and on and on till he or she masters the act of climbing a tree. You've tried marriage. The first one failed. It's better for you to plunge back into it. The villagers have already started talking. The story has flown here and there to all the nooks and crannies of our village, even to the villages and neighboring villages and communities. And if you don't get married immediately, it will just block your way. You will no longer get married. No man will ask for your hand in marriage.
But I want to go back to school. You people should not worry about me. I've decided to take charge of my life from now henceforth.
Nem, you're not going to any school. Because they have already paid your bride price. And I have collected your bride price. In Anue.
What? Nee, how could you do that? Nee, better go and return the bride price, oh. Because I cannot marry a man that I haven't even met. A man that I do not even know. Ha! And moreover, I'm sure my uncles are not aware of this.
The elders are in the know. They know everything. In fact, your uncles were the people that sat with me. We collected the bride price. And we decided to get you remarried as soon as possible. So that your name will not be dented. And you will not be, that this thing that affected you will not affect the other members of the family. What are you doing? Can do yourself good luck.
So, you people are selling me off, is that it?
Mercy, nobody is selling you. The man in question is my younger sister's son. And he is very rich, educated as well. He will train you to any level of education you want. And because he's educated, he will equally want his wife to be educated.
What kind of educated man marries a woman that he hasn't even met?
You see, that is because he's very busy. He has so many companies, offices, businesses here and there. Offshore, inshore. Importer and exporter. Importer, exporter. He's always traveling. He doesn't have time on him at all. Which is why he asked me to get him a wife. A very good one at that. And you and I know that you're the best. Which is why I chose you.
I'll have to think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Oh. Nothing, because they are going to come here tomorrow to carry you. So you better get yourself prepared. Go inside, pack your things, get them ready. If your clothes are dirty, wash them. Because you're going to expensive person's house. They don't tolerate dirty. You cannot go there looking dirty like this. So if you have not washed your clothes, wash them, iron them, package them very well. They're coming to carry you. In Anuya.
Nee, how could you do this? How?
How? It's for your own good. It was hitting me here that I'm not getting home. Look at this girl that I'm trying to put into a very big, expensive home. Why? The way you're going about this thing, will she agree? Why will she not accept? Don't you trust me again? I have everything under control. So don't worry yourself. Inano? So what about my money? Make sure it is intact. 500,000. Okay.
You and I agreed on 400,000. Why are you increasing it to 500?
I have decided to make it 500. This girl, give me a rich dollar, what money? You want her to hear what you're saying? This girl we're talking about is worth more than 1 million naira.
I know 500.
If I don't see my 500,
it's okay. We have it, we'll give it to you.
This girl is even worth 1 million. Maybe 500, you can go.
This girl. She's empty. She's always working. She's always busy.
1 million. You go cook it out and increase it to 1 million. What is it?
Sometimes I just get the feelings that you don't love me at all. If this man, Raymond, is as rich as you said, why should I not be the one getting married to him?
Udochukwu. This Raymond in question is nothing but a potato.
What do you mean?
Raymond is crippled. Not just that he is crippled, he is also mentally deranged.
Chineke me. Ne. Onyara.
Oh. Do you still want to marry him?
God forbid.
Yeah. The thing is that they are paying us huge amount of money to marry Mercy. By the time they pay us this money, I'll give you part of it. You will go for shopping, buy fine clothes, fine wears, expensive ones, sexy clothes, Then you buy wigs, fine ones though, real human hair. Real human hair. You fix your nails, very long ones, You pimp one way go for man. Of course. Because I want you to attract rich men. I want rich suitors to come for you.
But why do I need to attract other rich suitors? What about Uzo?
Uzo or no Uzo, the major thing is to attract a rich suitor. That's all. Go, so that our lives will change. Every time dust on my leg. I'll be raising dust and be disturbing others on
our enemies.
They will know that we have arrived.
I will not. Mercy has the right to know the kind of marriage she's walking into.
And you think she'll accept if you tell her?
Then that will be her choice. You can't sacrifice her life for your sister's happiness. I'm going to tell her the truth.
You're not allowed to leave this compound. You are not.
Ne, leave me alone, no.
I will not. I said you are not going anywhere.
Leave me alone, no.
What is even wrong with you? Whatever I'm doing now, it's for Mercy's own good.
For her own good, how? Ma, how is this good to her? How is this good to anyone?
I know this might sound cruel and wicked on my part. But you do not know what Helen is capable of. What I'm doing now, I'm doing it to keep Machi safe. Her safety is more assured if she gets out of that house. And my sister is a nice person. With no time, Mercy will adjust.
Is there something you're not telling me? Because now is the time.
Okay. Fine. Let's go inside, I'll tell you.
Come
inside. Come in first. Mercy, hurry up, oh! We have a long way to go, please. Oh, my sister.
No, we are coming home. Hey,
Oh, hey. Thank you very much for your hospitality. We have to get going before it gets dark. Yes. Helen, thank you so much for agreeing to this union. You are the best.
My dear, there's no problem. The most important thing is that we are now family.
Exactly. Don't worry, my dear.
Mercy is a very sweet girl. And I'm going to take good care of her.
I know what you can do. Eh? Onye na-ege anya ma na-ebu achala ugo. Eh? I trust you. Mercy. I want you to understand that marriage is for better, for worse. Eh? No matter the situation, just make sure that you stay and make your marriage work out. That is why you're a woman.
But why are you sounding as if I'm walking into a dungeon or something?
Mercy, take that out of your mind. Don't mind your mother. Eh? My sister here will take very good care of you.
Very good care.
She's a very nice person. And she has already promised to take you back to school.
You will send me back to school?
Yes, my dear.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
I'm going back to school, my dear.
Stand up, my daughter. Stand.
Get up. Send me back. Yes, I'm going back to school.
But why didn't my husband or any of the family member come?
About that, Raymond got up with
work. Too much work.
Yes.
Company, business, everything. Very busy, always busy.
But not to worry. He sent his apologies.
Busy man.
Very busy. Company, business, and the rest of them.
You understand? Yes. Shall we? We have a very long way to go, my dear.
Mercy, I'll miss you very much. Please do take care of yourself.
It's okay.
I'll miss you too, okay? I'll miss you too.
It's okay. I miss you. You have a ghost. Please start going because the way is long.
Mercy, congratulations.
Hey, be a very good wife. Bye bye. Hey.
I hope she finds happiness.
I hope so too.
We all hope so.
Yeah.
But
Helen, did you have to go on and on and on? Why were you putting fear inside the girl?
But what did I do? I was just giving her motherly advice.
Motherly advice?
Motherly advice.
I was just telling her what she should expect in marriage. So, all whoever call her, they were afraid or something like that.
Yeah, motherly advice, Helen. Motherly advice.
Don't you always attacking me? Would I give her advice again?
Hey,
Wow.
you're home.
Oh. I really miss you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It was a successful journey.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Come on, don't be afraid. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Feel at home, eh? Call me father. Forget those formalities. This is your home.
Yes.
Okay? Good.
Thank you.
Honey, you look very excited.
Absolutely. Darling, I have to take her to her husband. It's time to see your darling.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
It's all right.
And I'll join you soon.
Okay. Hey.
Mercy, this is Raymond, my son, your husband.
I don't understand. My husband?
Please, come closer. Come.
No, I want to go home. This is not what I was told.
You cannot go home. Yes, I paid your mother a huge amount of money to bring you here. You cannot go home. Please, we need your help.
You bought me?
If that's the way you want to put it. But if I were you, I would prefer to call it a marriage. Yes. Please, we need your help. Raymond needs you. Mercy, please help us out.
But I'm not a doctor. What he needs is the hospital, with doctors and nurses attending to him.
We've spent the past 3 years in the hospital. You don't understand it. He has a traumatic brain injury that cost the life of his wife and her daughter. Please, my dear, help us.
Ma, I feel your pain. But I can't stay. I mean, I can't handle the situation. I'm just a small girl who desires love and happiness. I can't do this. You know, I'm surprised everyone turned against me. I mean, I should have been told what I was getting myself into.
I am not going to force him on you, but just take a look at him. He needs your help, my dear. Before this accident, he used to command respect and confidence. But look, he's a shadow of himself now. But I tell you what, as soon as he starts improving, I will give you a huge amount of money to go back to school, or you may perhaps start a business with it.
But I don't know how to go about it.
There must be a way out. Just please take care of him. You'll be fine, my dear. Please help us out.
Come on, Ray. You need to eat something. Come on, Raymond. You need to eat something. You know you can't take your drugs on an empty stomach. Just come, eat. Please. Just eat, okay? Don't worry, prepare. Why are you making this hard for me? Why are you doing this? Look, I am trying my best. Stop making this hard for me, please. You shouldn't be doing this. No, you shouldn't be doing this. Please, just try and eat. Even if it's just this one. Please. Let me get you another one. Here. Just this one, just this one. Good boy. Let me get you water, okay? Okay, let's come. Easy, 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 easy. That's my boy. That's good. Now it's time for bed, okay? You're so heavy.
Let's pray. Father, we thank you for this food before us. And we ask that you sanctify it so that we'll eat it to the nourishment of our body in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Mercy,
Yes, Mom.
how is it going?
It's tough, but I'll keep trying.
Don't worry. You will get over it soon.
Exactly. If you need anything, feel free and ask me.
Yes, Mom.
Everything in this house is at your disposal. You are in your husband's house. As my son's wife, everything that belongs to him belongs to you as well. So feel free to ask for anything. That way you ease yourself some tension, you know.
And secondly, you must ensure that Raymond's drugs do not finish. As soon as he remains one card, report to us. Report.
Okay, sir.
More importantly, if you have any confusion in anything, ask a question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Honey, who made this food?
Mercy, of course.
Mercy. So she's also a good cook.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Happened between Mercy and my son. I still made sure that he comes with me. But running away without saying a word to anybody, it was so uncalled for.
No, I am so sorry about what happened. You were guarding Uncle.
Uzo. No. You don't need to apologize. Eh? Any man in your situation would have done exactly what you did. Ha! My dear, for someone you love so much and trust so much to betray you, it's uncalled for. Eh? You're welcome. Oh, it is good you're here. But the mercy you're talking about, She's already married. She got married 2 weeks ago.
I'm not even here because of Mercy. Yes. I am here to ask for Udochukwu's hand in marriage. I love her.
Hey.
You see, she's the one my mother wanted me to marry. My name is Magoni Ikorobia na Ikiki Ikorobia. I made that mistake, but thank God it's happened this way, and I'm about to take the right turn. So, Udochukwu, if you're still interested, I want to marry you.
Yes, Uzo. I will marry you. Yes.
As a mother, I have to support my son. Despite everything, I had to support him.
So, what are we still waiting for? I will just inform the uncles that Uzo has asked for my daughter's hand in marriage.
No time.
It's okay. That is okay. And we have to go now. No.
Okay.
Because we also have to tell his own uncles. And then our preparations will go on. So we'll come back here tomorrow.
Hey, Mbano, let me get cola for you people now, even if it is garden egg. Oh,
Rabu go do cola.
Even water.
I be anu echi anya ataba.
Kaija hazie no.
Kaija hands.
Hey. See you come back. Hey. What's up, Mama? Papa, go ni Ikorobia.
It's fine, eh? I appreciate, eh? Let's see one more. Keep being good, alright? We'll see later, eh?
Yes.
Alright.
Hey.
Hey, Mama, it's happening. It's really happening.
See, I told you to have patience. That it will happen. You got to go. Thank God Mercy is out of the way. You got to go.
I wish she's even here. Let me rub my marriage tools on her face.
No, you don't need to do that. You don't need to rub your marriage on her face. She's already suffering. Abi?
Hey. This is suffering. But we still need to call her to tell her that.
Pick your call. Wait. I'll keep on calling you until.
What do you want?
Hey, I beg.
Don't speak to me in that manner. Anyway, I called to tell you that Uzo is coming to marry me tomorrow.
Well, good luck with your crippled husband.
Congratulations. Is that all?
Mercy, I know you are pained. You are probably dying where you are or hitting your head on a wall. You've not seen anything. Uzo is finally mine.
Welcome to my house.
Wow.
Wow. What's up? You mean you own this big place?
Yes, this is my house. You're welcome.
This is heaven on earth. Oz, I know you are rich. I didn't know you were this rich.
Hey, my dear, all glory to God. We're just managing, trying to live the good life. Come on.
So, this is what Mercy wanted to come and enjoy.
What's that? Hey.
I meant, this is what Mercy would have enjoyed if she didn't misbehave.
It's all right. It's all in the past. Come on, let me show you the rooms.
Wow.
You're so funny.
Oh my God.
You're just so funny.
Wow. Wow. Do you like it? Is that a yes?
What are you two lovelies gossiping about?
Nothing, Mark. Good afternoon. I was just giving him a head massage.
That's impressive. And he looks relaxed. Where did you learn it from?
In secondary school, physical and health education.
You must be a bright student.
I try.
Raymond, my boy.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
This is new. Okay, let me leave you two to continue.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Fremont, why? Why are you doing this? Why did you defecate on yourself? I just left for 5 minutes and you already did this? Do you really like me suffering? Am I not trying? Come, let me clean you up.
Tales tell of powerful solitary pharaohs.
And now her favorite show is about to come on and... Oh no, not the look again. Oh no, no, no. Quickly, hurry, and yes! Paying and staying connected to your DSTV subscription is easier than... With the My DSTV...
Udochukwu.
Morning.
Good morning. Why are you sleeping here?
I was watching a movie. I didn't know when I slept off.
So you left the room last night to this place just to watch a movie?
I didn't want to disturb you, so I had to leave the room and also left the big parlor that is close to your room. And besides, you were snoring so loud.
Hey, that should not be an excuse, right? I don't snore that loud, please. Go and make breakfast for me while I prepare for work.
Wow. No. I'm very tired though. I didn't sleep last night. I still want to sleep.
Udochukwu, go and make breakfast for me, please.
Good afternoon, my dear. What is he struggling to say?
I don't know.
Sounds like he's trying to call your name.
My name?
Yes.
I wish.
Anyways, I came over here to give you this. This is Raymond's debit card. Use it and buy anything you want.
But Ma, I don't really need anything.
You need new clothes. You need to make your hair as well. Because you've been carrying this hair since you came over to this house. Use it and buy anything you want to. The PIN number is 7771.
Thank you very much, Ma. You're very kind. Thank you, Ma.
Have you given Raymond his medicine?
Oh, yes, I have.
Okay, that's good. Take care of him, yeah?
I will.
I will.
This one will size me now.
How can this clothes size you? Look at it, it's for young girls.
Oluebube, stretch it, it will size me. Stretch it, stretch it.
It will not size you. This is for me.
Don't worry. I will call Umasi and tell her that the next time she's sending anything, she should separate your own from my own. Cheating about Tawale.
Oh, I don't even start.
Helen.
Hey, Dalukwan.
Welcome, Ma.
And Dalu. Did you boggle a big woman's house? Where did all these clothes come from?
Helen, all this came from Umasi. I did not boggle anybody's house. I don't know how to boggle.
They're fine now.
Yes. Don't they look expensive?
They tried. They're fine.
What brings you, my sister?
I don't know how to operate this phone. And I want to call Udochukwu, so I come so that Oluebube will help me.
Ma, let me help you.
Hey, Nemi, you're my very good friend. Anything that is mine is yours. So please, or anyone, you're my very good friend. Go really with annoying like it. Take it, it's your own.
Hey, Mbano, don't worry yourself. I don't wear Okeleka. And besides, Udochukwu will soon buy me very expensive material. See money about Okeleka. I don't wear Okeleka now.
It is ringing.
Eh?
Oh, Mama. Why is she calling me now?
Hello? Udochukwu.
Hello, Mama.
Hey, Udochukwu. Eh?
What is it?
Since you traveled to Nnewi, you have not called me at all.
Mama, you won't let me enjoy my life in peace. Eh? I've been busy.
What do you mean? What do you mean that you're busy? Busy doing what? Please send me something now. Eh? If you see what Mercy sent to Dorothy and Oluebube, fine clothes, very fine materials. If you see them, start sending me something now.
I've heard you, Mama. Don't worry, very soon I'll send something big at home. I've heard you.
Okay. Hey, on your phone. Hey.
Come down. You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. You?
I'm good. You like watching movies a lot?
Yes, so I can watch movies for 24 hours without getting tired.
I can see that already. What did you make for lunch? I'm so hungry.
Wait first. I don't want to miss the end. Oh.
Udochukwu, so I should wait until you're done watching your movie before I get my food.
What is it now? Exercise more patience. You see? I have missed the ending now. Small patience like this. Besides, are you going to eat with your work clothes? Why don't you go and change first?
Hey!
Why don't you go and change first?
There is problem. There is problem. What is this? I mean, what is this for?
It is cucumber and groundnut.
I know it's cucumber and groundnut. Like some sort of appetizer or what?
You see, I forgot to cook. I lost track of time because I was
watching a movie. You lost track of time and served me cucumber and granite for lunch? Are you alright?
I'm so sorry. I said I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill you there. Nonsense.
That's my boy. Just look at. Okay. Another assassination attempt failed. Okay, now tell me. What do you want to do now? What do you want me to do? Do you want a head massage? Do you want that? Okay, a head massage it is then. Do you like it? I know you do. Raymond, what did you just say? Raymond, can you say it again? Yeah? Raymond, say it, Mom. Say it.
What is going on here?
Mother, I could swear I heard him say Mom.
That cannot be possible. The only way he has managed to save for these past 3 years is just beer.
I also noticed something. He makes gestures now.
What kind of gestures?
Like he nods agreeably. Okay, watch. Raymond, are you okay?
This is incredible.
Raymond, say more. Say more. More. Say it.
Mom.
Wow! This is just wow! I like the right words. Oh God! Raymond! Remembers me.
This is a very huge development.
I could not have believed it if I wasn't there myself. For the past 3 years, Raymond has not said a word. But now, he called out to me, doctor. Raymond called out to me. Wow.
With this new development, we have to add up his medications. You'll be giving him 2 tablets instead of 1. And add these tablets too. Okay? Add these 2.
Doctor, you are doing a very great job. If I may ask, for how long is he going to remain like this?
I reviewed his chart. And with this development, I think in the next 8 months, he'll be back on his feet.
Doctor, this is a very big relief.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor.
At least we are seeing the light. The other side of the tunnel.
Uzo.
Namo.
Can I talk to you?
Oh yes, you can talk to me.
I need some money.
What for?
I want to send some money to my mother. She's really having a hard time.
I don't have money. And where do I go?
That's not true. Uzo, why are you being so cold towards me?
I am not being cold towards you. I'm just telling you I don't have money now. I don't have money to give you now. But come to reason it the other way. A woman who doesn't cook for you, clean nor wash for the husband. I mean, what's the essence? I don't have money to give you now.
Uzo, you're just being wicked for no reason. I didn't marry you to be your maid.
Neither did I marry you to be my maid. I did not. The truth is, if you need money, you work for it. Yes. Haven't you heard of the saying, no food for a lazy man?
Laziness is a work on its own. Oh, you think it's easy to sleep, wake up, eat, watch movies, sleep again, wake up, eat, watch boring movies? Oh, you think it's an easy routine?
Really? Oh, you're right. Laziness. It is a whole lot of work. It's not easy to be lazy, my dear. You're right. But I hope it puts money in your account. You get a lot from laziness, right?
Uzo, I didn't marry you for this nonsense attitude you're displaying, you know.
Why did you marry me? Like I want to know. No, I would like to know. Tell me. No, let's understand ourselves. Why did you marry me? What does it give? don't want to talk again? Ha! There is problem.
Mama, Mama, I thought I told you that Uzo has refused to give me money. Why do you keep calling me? I don't know what to do. What? How do you expect me to steal money from my husband?
Raymond, please, for my sake, take this. You are trying to say something.
Mercy.
You need the mercy. Mercy! Mercy! Come quickly! Someone needs your attention. Don't worry, she's coming, my dear.
This one.
He has refused to take his medicine. Maybe you can help out. Oh.
Just take your drugs, huh? Take more water. Sorry. You're fine.
I can't believe it. He's so used to you.
That's because I spend lots of time with him. Should we go out for some fresh air? Take it outside. Okay, Ma, we'll be outside.
All right, my dear.
No matter how small, just give me something. Oh, hey. Udo Mama has not been picking my calls. Even the husband. I will call and call and call. He will not pick, and he doesn't even call me. I will call him from now till December. But he will never return my call. It's okay, When did this cough start? Because it's not sounding mba. I didn't know it was this bad when you sent for me. Eh? No. It started 2 days ago.
But the cough is not even my problem. I'm so hungry. So hungry. I need something to eat. I want to eat. Now, wow. Have you heard from Mercy? I hear from Mercy every single day. Oh. Every single day, she must call me. Even the food stuff, I'm going to get some things for you. It is the last batch she sent. She's always sending things, food or money, clothes every week. Ow, she's trying. Which reminds me, Helen, why don't you give Mercy a call? Please don't say that. I will not come here because my son-in-law will soon come around. And we don't want will soon come and visit me. They'll soon get me something. Helen, when will you wake up from this your self-induced dream? Eh? When will you wake up from this illusion? The same son-in-law that you said if you call him from now till December, he will not pick your call and he will not return it. And the Udochukwu that have stopped taking your calls. Why don't you just extend an olive branch to Mercy? I know she will come to your rescue immediately. God forbid, God forbid. I will not try that. Unless I'm dead. Meanwhile, you went through no small energy to cook. Or should I bring you cooked food and then bring you some raw food too? Would you go here before you finish preparing that thing? I might die you. Don't worry, I'll get you something. If you have soup, bring it. I think I have some food in the house. Meanwhile, don't forget what I said. Sit off your high horse and call on Mercy. I'm going to juice. It's even juice.
Are you ready now? Let's go, there is no time. Huh? No, are you true? Yo, we're running late.
Uzo, I am so sorry.
Now, why are you apologizing? Why are you apologizing again? I already told you it's fine. Huh? It's fine. I mean, it's okay. Why are you not dressed?
What are you going to do with me?
Udochukwu, I want to take you out. Alright? I want to make today the most memorable day of your life. A special day in your life. Is it not my money you stole? And you did it because I don't give you enough money. I mean, I've realized that. I've come to terms that, you know, I'm supposed to be giving you enough money. And that's my bad. All right? And I want to say I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry about that. All right? So go and dress up. Let me take you out. You know, you pick anything of your choice. I'll pay for it. All right? Maybe in atonement of, sometimes I've not given you enough money. It's fine, it's fine. Go and dress up. Yeah, that's what I want. That smile. Come on, go and dress up, eh? Quickly, be fast, though, before you do some things. Eh? Before all those things you like finishes.
Uzo, is this not the way to the village?
Yes.
Why are we going to the village?
Have you forgotten today is a special day? I promised to make it special. We're going to see your mother.
Just like that?
Mm-hmm.
Uzo, you tricked me. You are taking me home.
Don't be silly. I mean, we are taking money to your mother.
Seriously?
Yes. I will tell you, we are taking money to her.
I thought you were taking me home.
Come on, stop it. Stop it.
Wow.
Yeah, no. How was your trip?
It was okay. How are you doing?
I'm managing. Oh, I'm just managing.
Mama, are you alright? You look so pale.
I have not been feeling fine. I've been sick.
Sorry, huh?
Oh.
Sorry, I wish you quick recovery.
No. Thank you. Thank you. Let us go inside and sit down.
There won't be any need to go inside. I brought your daughter back to you.
Eh?
What? Uzo, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Are you alright?
What did she do?
You know, she has been working so hard in my house. Yes, she works a lot. She works too much. So I brought her home for her to rest a little. Because the laziness is so much. It's too much. The laziness is too much. Since she stepped into my house, she doesn't cook, clean, wash for the husband. What kind of a wife is that? And if you try to complain, if you try to direct her well, she will AK-47. I don't understand. So I've brought her back for you to train her properly. You need to groom her. As long as she remains like this, she can never step her foot into my house again. And that is it.
This is something we can settle.
No. It has gotten to that. No, we can't settle it. We cannot settle it because nonsense. It has gotten to it.
Uzo, you can't do this to me.
Look at her. All she knows is painting herself. Nonsense.
Uzo, you can't embarrass me this way.
I will embarrass you on and on. See, I will disgrace her in this village.
Oh God, my neighbors will laugh at me.
If you have trained your daughter properly, will you be thinking of what neighbors will say? If you have trained her properly, neighbors won't have any reason to laugh at you. Train your child properly. She's messed up. Watching movies from morning to night. Who does that? Come on, Milioko.
I will change, please. Don't do this.
Will you get away from this place? Some things will never change. We will never. See, nonsense. Common hot water. She can't cook. Milioko.
I will change.
You will not.
I will cook everything for you.
Nonsense. You cook everything. Even on bed, she's not even good. Everyone on catch up. You see, my friend.
Okasi we kwagati logo kaki. Ilawanugo. Alebebo.
You again?
I want to apologize to you and Mercy.
You don't have to apologize. You did the right thing.
I didn't do the right thing. I lied against Mercy. Mercy is practically innocent. She didn't do anything.
What?
Yes. Yeah. Udochukwu, her mother, that made me lie against her. Because they promised if I lie against her, I'll marry Udochukwu.
Oh. You want to marry her, right?
Before. I wanted to.
Okay. She's home now and single. You can go ahead.
But again.
What's that your name again?
Ekenna.
Ekenna. She's home, single. You can go and marry her. I'm sorry.
My friend, keep your sorry. Yeah, man. I was wrong. You got to keep that
nonsense. I won't take her again. She has been tagged.
What did you say that happened? That made your husband bring you home just like this without anything? No clothes, nothing, no money, not even food stuff.
Mama, this is your fault. You were the one that told me to steal his money. It is your fault.
How? Did he catch you?
Of course he caught me! That is why I am here.
Hey! Jimmy, what are we supposed to do? Eh? There is no food in this household. Eh? Couldn't change your salt, but it's not in the house. Even salt, common salt that we find in every room is not in this house. And I've borrowed money from almost everyone in this community. Nobody is willing to borrow to me again. Hey, Jimmy, even in the shops, I've collected one article or the other from all the shops. I've not paid anything. Now nobody is willing to sell to me again because I've not paid for the ones I bought before. Hey! Hello, Benno. Eh? Just to steal, small stealing like that, big girl like you, small stealing.
Mama, stop it! Stop making this thing look like it's my fault. I am not the one that put us in this situation.
You know, say it's true. The package and deported you.
Okay, now what do you want?
I don't want anything, no. I only came to confirm if it's true. Hey! Say we go get on for it.
Ekena, just leave. Leave my house. Don't just add to my problems. Biko!
Calm down. Yeah, play like banger.
Please, this is not the ideal time for this your nonsense talk or nonsense act. Biko, kindly and quietly take yourself out of my house now before I do something drastic.
It's very simple. I'll quietly and secretly take myself out of this compound. If only two of you give me the balance of the dirty job I did for you a few months ago. Yes, nah. You think I'll forget? You can't eat me, oh. You give me my balance. I told you.
How much is your balance?
It's just 30,000 naira only. So, is it the 30,000 I showed you? Sorry, but you still drinking. Child.
No problem. Just let's go.
I will. Don't worry, I'm comfortable here. Maybe I'll bring it. Hey.
You don't have shame. Up till now, you don't have shame.
See the queen mother of shameless kingdom. You're shameless. You're not supposed to be. Don't you shame. No, you
would have stayed back. Let me break your head with this. With this pistol, idiot. Eh? Are you stupid? Useless idiot.
And me are talking that we don't have money to eat. There's nothing in this house. And you're here coming talking about 30,000. Get out of my idea. It's not you that caused all these problems now. Hey,
That was a good shower. Yeah. Did you enjoy the shower? Okay. So come on, let me get the. You think all these things I'm doing, you think it's easy? You think it's easy? What has gotten into you? Let me go! I said, just let me go! What has gotten into you? Raymond. I'm so sorry, Raymond. Please just get up. I'm sorry. Raymond, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get up. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What happened? Why is he on the floor?
Mercy, what happened?
He fell.
Please sit down.
Linda.
Honey, did you hear that? My son is recollecting things. Oh, glory be to God.
What happened the last time?
Who is Laura and Linda?
Oh, my dear. The wife and her kid. Just help us. Let's help you.
Is it not the food that Dorothy brought for me this morning? Why are you eating it?
So, I should now starve because you're sick. Please don't disturb me.
What will I eat when I want to take my medicine? It's not good though.
Okay. Were you not the one that dragged me back from my husband's house? What you did to me, was it rude? For the last time, I am eating. Don't disturb me.
Udo, give me water to drink.
Oh, can't you see that I'm eating? Why are you disturbing me? If you are eyeing this my cup of water, remove your eyes because I'm using it to eat. If you want to die. More pain. Do I look like I care? I don't care now. If I don't give you this water now, it will look like I'm wicked. And I don't like being wicked. Take water. Drink and be happy.
Give me water now. I'm not stretch my hand.
You are not thirsty yet. When you are thirsty, you get up and drink the water. Oh?
I'm so weak. Oh.
Hey! Igbago no loss. If we're gonna loss. Now you will have to wait for me to finish eating because I am not getting up from this place until I'm done with this food. Or if you're interested, you can lick the ones on the floor. That one is easier for you. You can as well do it. But if ever I cannot stand up, you have to wait.
Doctor, how is he?
Good news. Your son is very fine now. His brain is recollecting his past events very fast. Although it will take him a little while to start talking fluently.
That's wonderful.
Is that something to be afraid of?
Not at all. Just a little while. He will start saying things that everybody can understand.
That's a good relief.
Thank God.
Meanwhile, I will prescribe new medicine for him. I will give it to the nurse to bring to you.
It's okay, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Please, what about his legs?
Oh yes, he will start using clutches from tomorrow.
Great.
And have a nice day.
That's great. That's great. She's actually walking.
He's awake.
Sure.
Yes, he's awake.
Raymond, can you recognize us? Wonderful.
Mercy.
It's gotten out to Mercy. Hey, where is she? I hope she'll come here now.
She will soon be here. Just relax, son.
Yeah, she is.
Raymond, you're awake.
Yes, he is. Chai.
My goodness. Raymond, this is good.
Yes. Honey, now that Mercy is here, we can go home so that you get some rest.
Hey.
Yes, Ma, you need to go. I will take good care of him.
That's good. Hey, you don't mind. Please take care of him.
Raymond, I brought you food. Is there something on my face? You're not fully recovered and you're already teasing me.
Thank you.
You remember me?
Everything.
You're welcome. Okay, get up, okay? So I could feed you. Easy. Just take it easy.
How is he?
He's asleep.
Good. Take this.
₦10 million? What is this for?
Remember the day you came to this house? I made you a promise. Do you still remember? I told you that if Raymond's health improves, that I'm going to settle you. So, if you decide to leave, you can use it and start a new life. We are like your family now. So you feel free, come to us anytime you need anything. Do have some rest, my dear. Good night.
Our son's recovery is very, very exciting.
Very, very. Ah,
I'm sure you're happy now.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
At least you won't be crying.
Mercy,
Yes, ma'am.
I thought I told you to go and get some rest.
Actually, I want to talk to the both of you.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine.
Do you need anything?
No. It's about the check.
What about it? Do you need more money?
No. It's about Raymond.
Raymond, is he okay?
Yes, you see, I have spent a year taking care of him. And he has become a part of me. I've grown to love him. Father, Mother, if he will accept me, I would love to spend the rest of my life with him.
This is great.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure.
Wow. Come on, my girl. Come. Come on.
Raymond? Raymond!
Yes. I'm here.
Okay. Easy.
Wait. Why do you always like to lie down on the floor or on the couch? Do I disgust you?
No. Why would you even say a thing like that?
I have watched you for the past few months as you stood by me when I was mourning my daughter and my wife. Why did you do all of that? I lost you. What are you thinking about?
I love you, Raymond. I really love you. A lot.
Well, if you love me and we are married, why do you keep sleeping on the floor? I mean, why don't you come and stay here with me on the bed?
Sorry. Easy.
I love you too. But I was thinking,
Thinking about what?
I mean, we should do a proper wedding. The one that I will be there.
I would really love that.
Right? You know what? Tonight you're going to stay on the bed with me, okay? No more lying down on the floor or on the couch. Okay? Alright? I get your things.
I'm coming, so meet me outside, okay?
So you have virtually turned this house to a brothel, eh?
Hey, Biko Mama, stop it! Don't even start with this your nonsense right now. Eh? Since you turned into a vegetable, I have been the one feeding you for the past 3 months. From money I've been making from this profession now, you're condemning. Eh?
Udochukwu, is it prostitution you are calling profession? Hell, is this what your mates are doing? Eh?
I see you have strength to talk today. But by the time I starve you for 3 days, you have no energy to talk.
Hey, Hey, God, what have I done? Why have you given me this type of a daughter? Hey.
What is it? What happened? What happened? What is it?
Udochukwu want to kill me. Udochukwu want to finish me.
Why did you people call me now?
Mercy, you know I cannot call you. I cannot call you because I have offended you so much. Because of all the things I did to you. Nabiko, forgive me, oh. Forgive me, oh.
Nee. You know, no matter what happened, I will never desert you. Yes, I wanted to stay angry at you for what you did. But then I realized that you did me a huge favor. Raymond loves me so much. And I have the best parents-in-law. Sorry, Unni. Udo, Unni, sorry. Unni, we'll need to take you to the hospital, eh?
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Udo, sorry. Unni, I came to inform you that Raymond and his people will be coming to pay my bride price properly.
That means a good thing, oh, very good. Yeah. I am the cause of the death of your mother, oh. I caused your mother to take poison.
What? Unni, I don't understand. What do you mean you made my mom kill herself?
I was the one that your father came seeking for her hand in marriage. When he came to our house, he saw your mother and diverted to your mother. Your mother, Abianuju, knew fully well that I am the one that he kept looking for her hand in marriage. Yes, she went ahead to marry him. I was so heartbroken. I was pained. decided to pay her back. So when she gave birth to you, I was the one to comfort your Mugwa. Because our mother was already dead. I decided to take revenge. I decided to wreck her marriage.
I'm not too comfortable with this in my house.
You know what? Go on.
What is it? My wife is here.
What about it? Please. Why? Of all the men in this village, Eileen, why my husband? You took him away from me. No! I did not take Benjamin away from you. He chose me. He chose you. But he's choosing me now. Why are you in pain? You have to leave my house. House, he said. That won't be possible. You know why? Because I am pregnant for him. Yes. How could you? Abianuju, I can see you are in a lot of pain now. I brought this for you. I brought it for you. Take and end your miserable pain. You're evil! You're evil! Take! You don't want? I will drop it here for you. When your pain intense, take it to ease your miserable pain. You know what, Obianuju? Don't thank me. Elena, my God will punish you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, my daughter Biko. Then please forgive me, oh. Please. I'm truly sorry. That was how she took the poison and died. But I was only teasing her. I did not know that she would drink the poison. I'm sorry.
How could you? How could you, Ne? How could you tease a broken-hearted woman with poison, Ne? How could you?
I'm sorry.
She didn't kill herself. You killed her. You killed my mother, Ne.
Forgive me,
I will never be able to forgive you. I will never forgive you, Ne. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive
Mercy, is this really you?
Yes, Udo. It's me.
Mercy, I'm so sorry for everything we did to you. Please forgive. I'm so sorry for everything. Find it in your heart to forgive us. Everything we must have done to you. I'm so sorry.
Ne, Mama. Ne, wake up. Ne.
Hey, no. No, please. No, no.